Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu announced the launch of South India's first bullet train, which will connect Bengaluru, Amravati, Hyderabad and Chennai. The project includes plans for 8 stations in Andhra Pradesh and 6 stations in Telangana. During an event in Visakhapatnam on Friday, the Chief Minister stated that airports in Andhra Pradesh will be upgraded to facilitate early flights to any destination. He also emphasized that all north-south routes, whether by road, rail, or air, should pass through Andhra Pradesh. Listen in.
Today, newspapers you have seen very soon, bullet train is going to come to South India. That is going to happen. Survey they ordered now from Hyderabad, Chennai, Amravati, Bangalore, all 4 cities, more than 5 crore population. Biggest cluster in the world, biggest market in the world. Our roads also we are going in a big way. Even remote area, all roads will be maintained for international standards.
Heading back to Uma Sudhir. Uma, a big project there for the South.
So Chandrababu Naidu, rightly so, prides on being a man with big ideas and big vision, and that's where at the India Food Manufacturing Summit at Visakhapatnam, he made this announcement saying that there is going to be a bullet train that will be connecting the 4 important metros in the south, and that of course includes Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai and Amravati, and he said that that covers a population of 5 crore that we are talking about, and he said it's a logistic hub that will be created here with a kind of connectivity. Both people as well as goods will be able to move fast through these 4 cities, and therefore he says that will become a huge engine for growth in that particular story, contributing to not just Swarna Andhra Pradesh 2047 but Vikasit Bharat 2047 as well. So Chandrababu Naidu has said that a survey has already been conducted or is underway for establishing this kind of a bullet train network connecting the 4 important cities in the south of the country. Of course, you would recall that Chandrababu Naidu has also spoken about, for instance, a Quantum Valley in Visakhapatnam. He's spoken about a drone city. So he's, as a chief minister, wants to integrate technological innovation, creating the infrastructure and ensuring that that will, in a sense, propel Andhra Pradesh into the future and also India into the future as a leader, not just within the country, but across the globe as well. Back to you.